Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the video on my channel. Today we're going to be having an update on Litecoin. Now, guys, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be talking about multiple different coins, when to buy, when to sell, and not only am I trying to make myself a lot of money this bull run, but also for you guys. I make these videos for you guys. So make sure to subscribe, become part of the journey, and become a sniper yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Now listen, I'm trying my best out here. I'm on a little bit of meds right now, so if I mess up some words, I'm sorry. But listen, before we jump right into this, coin confessions of the day, okay? I'm literally having cold chills for the first time in my life. Been in about crypto for about 2 years. This is my first time I felt my money leave me in a blink of an eye. I can't believe I just lost 2K to an AI project. I just experienced my first fully fledged rugged with nothing happening. Like everywhere is just silent. Is this how the bear market will hit? Well, okay, first of all, getting rugged is different than being in a bear market, okay? Listen, getting rugged is just like pretty much getting your money stolen. And I'm pretty sure all of us, especially if you've been crypto for many years, have been a victim of it. Absolutely sucks. But this is why you put your money in something like Litecoin, something that has a higher probability of going up because it's much more useful. Okay, so that is the lesson of the day to take it from the coin fashion. Now, let's jump into the technical analysis. Okay, so right away, what I notice is that we are very, very close for Litecoin of breaking out. Okay, because when we look, we pretty much have something like this in the past, this like this, and this like this. Okay, now if we look here, pretty much you could argue this, this, and this. Okay, look, and you can just see by the movement that we are going up. Now, if we take away the wicks, take away all the noise, right? Take away the drawings, we can see that in terms of pretty much candle closes, which is very important, we had a support here. We were going up here. Then we broke through this area here with this big candle. And then we start to pump and pump and pump. And now that is what I believe is going to happen with Litecoin. We have our floor, right? Go up a little bit down, but as you can tell just with your eyes, we are constantly just going higher and higher. And I believe very, very soon we're going to have a massive pump because pretty much, guys, something like this is called accumulation, which is pretty much sideways movement until we expand. Okay. And that is pretty much the stage we're in right now. We have accumulation here and we have small accumulation here. But then if you look at a bigger picture, you can say this is accumulation, which is good. You want this. You want this because the more accumulation there is, the bigger the bang will be. And then since crypto is becoming more relevant, there's going to be more money and the technology is actually being more used. You could very well argue that this whole section is going to be accumulation and Litecoin will be pumping extremely, extremely, extremely hard this cycle. Now, this is what you want. Okay, this is what you want to hear if you have a Litecoin, right? Now, we've seen, right, pretty much that when we were accumulating going sideways here, up and down, still being a little baby, right? You can see how much this exploded and how nuclear it went, okay? It pretty much, if we bring back the wicks, went from the bottom of this a month before exploded. It went from $3.62 to next month at one point, $10 pretty much. And then it just started to fly. Okay, it started to fly, 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 right? Then it did its thing, retracement. Then while we're in a bear market in 2019, right? We're pretty much going sideways, right? For pretty much a year. And then see from this area, we exploded pretty much from $55 all the way to 415. Amazing. Now, we are accumulating pretty much longer in a bigger range. Now you could argue this is a small range and this is a small range, which is sure, but all this big box and these two small ones are gonna help with us really exploding. And like I said, you could argue that this whole area is a big box and we are gonna be going absolutely nuclear. Okay, I mean nuclear. like all the way up here, seeing new levels and seeing prices that no one expected, right? Because right now it seems crazy until it happens and expands above this red box, right? Treats this as a nice, support, bounces off this blue box, right? And then it's going to expand, expand, expand. And then over the next coming years, right, we will have something very similar where, let's say, if I draw this out very quickly, right, let's say it's going to explode out of this area. And then we're going to have some kind of similar pattern where it goes down, accumulation, boom, another explosion, boom, 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 boom. And then boom, right? The same thing is going to happen. It seems crazy now, but trust me, it happens on every currency pair. It happened on gold. It happened on Bitcoin, right? And you got to think with the way this world's heading, with the technology, with how much crypto is getting adopted, where's Litecoin going to go? You understand? So now to break it down in the short term, right? I believe right now is a great time to buy, right? The lowest, in my opinion, it'll go is pretty much back to somewhere around 80 bucks. Okay, pretty much into this candle right here. That's what I think. Might go a little bit lower, so might stay a little bit higher. Overall, right now is a great time to buy. I'd be looking maybe at 80 bucks, $2 cost average. You could buy now. And then in terms of the bigger picture, right, we're definitely looking to break out of this boxy area, right? Boxy area, go like this, probably go like this and like this. And once we get past this area, we're not coming back. I'm telling you, we're not coming back because Bitcoin is already at 67K and Bitcoin is ready to expand itself. Okay. Not only that, the Bitcoin dominance is high. Once the Bitcoin dominance starts dropping, then these altcoins will pump even more. And yeah, that is pretty much it right now. It is time to buy Litecoin. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.